everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my cheesesteak sub. To get started, here I have some beef shaved steak that I picked up from Kroger, and I'll be using some sub rolls. I have red and green bell peppers, onions, some provolone cheese. I have sweet soy sauce and some A1 sauce. I'll also be using some mayonnaise, jalapeno peppers, minced garlic. For the seasonings, I have complete seasoning, steak seasoning, creole seasoning, black pepper, and some smoked paprika. In a preheated skillet, I did add some oil, and now I'll go in with the peppers and the onions. We will saute these until they're nice and tender. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes. And our seasonings, we'll combine them all and we'll add a pinch just to add taste and flavor to the veggies. After about 4 minutes, you want to remove the veggies. Then we'll add some butter to the skillet. We will then go in with our steak, and you want to cook the steak until it's nice and brown and it's fully cooked. Now it might give off a bit of moisture. You want to allow that moisture to evaporate completely before moving on to the next step. Once the steak is browned nicely and all of the moisture has evaporated, we'll now go in with our seasonings. We will add the garlic and the sauces. The sauces add a bit of tanginess and sweetness to the steak. It also adds color and it is just amazing. We will give it a good toss and we will allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. And lastly, we'll add our veggies back into the steak, give it a good toss and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. You're all done. Now let's fix us a sub. So before you assemble your sub, you want to toast the bread first. This prevents it from becoming super soggy fast. And as you can see, I am adding some mayonnaise to both sides of my bun. So I did leave the amount of steak I'll be using for one sub inside of the skillet, and I removed the rest. I placed my provolone cheese over top, and I'll add some water there to create that steam that will actually melt that cheese. We'll cover and allow the cheese to melt. Once it melts, you want to add your steak to your bun, and you can add whatever topping you like onto it. You can add lettuce and tomato, peppers, whatever. I will add some jalapeno peppers onto mine, and that's it. Super simple, guys, and it's so delicious. The meat is juicy, tender, and it's so flavorful. And here you have it, my version of a cheesesteak sub. It is simple but yet flavorful and delicious. It is a perfect dinner idea. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!